Imagine a connected landscape from Yellowstone into Canada, where the grizzly bear has room to roam safely between wild strongholds. Imagine the North American grizzly bear population restored and protected for future generations by conserving wildlife habitat. Now imagine being a part of making it happen. To celebrate this Earth Day, the Grizzly Adams Company encourages you to become a monthly member of the Vital Ground Foundation. Vital Ground is the only land trust dedicated to large landscape conservation for the benefit of grizzly bears, other wildlife, and people. For the price of a coffee each month, you can make a lasting impact for wildlife when you set up a monthly giving plan today. Help us reach our goal of 25 new monthly members this Earth Day to unlock a matching donation that will magnify your gift. Help us protect the wild walkways of our world, for grizzlies, for all walks of life, forever.